Dude, did you just miss that perfect landing?
Uh-oh, I gotta bring it in.
Yeah.
I see something wrong.
It was like flapping in the wind, and maybe from hitting the tree. I just put this together last night. I wanted a crispy, fresh one to mess around with. Look that duck. I'm gonna take off with some half flaps. Let's see what they said. You take off better, so let's see what happens. So that's no flaps, half flaps, full flaps. I'm gonna go with half flaps. Let go roll! Yeah! Stop! That was the most terrifying thing in the world. That was the most terrifying thing in the world, but I pulled it off. Dude, that's so sick. Again! I got the glue in the van. Yeah.
We could have a break like this, and in 3 minutes we'll be back in the air.
Back in the air, 3 minutes. It's gonna take you 3 minutes to get there.
Yeah.
No flap. All right. We're trying to get around these posts. All of these posts. That's what happens when you crash. The wheel off! Yeah, dude, that is a good hard hit. Actually, it was not really bad, people. Like I said, this is a really strong plane. So what happened is, it just ripped my top off, which is not bad because I got an extra set of wings at home. And ripped the tire off, which I got another set of those at home too. I just gotta find the missing wheel that flung off, which is over here. That's a good donut, dude. That's so funny, right? That thing got plowed. Take that off. This goes in here somehow. Pops right back in. Boom, like that. And then I'll do that magic glue.
Where it's bent from that impact, too.
Yeah, a little bit of magic. All you need is like a little drop, because this stuff is crazy. Oh, little activator. Stick it, leave it. Now we're gonna do this other side. So see first, where we're gonna put this piece, it goes right there. Oh, too much. I'm telling you, this stuff goes a long way. All you need is a little tiny drop and you're good to go. Match that up right where it goes. Hold it firm. Try not to get it on your fingers because it will. It'll do it. This stuff kind of expands, so when you do press it, it'll come out. So be kind of gentle with it. I've used it a lot because I crash a lot. Hold it super firm, as firm as you can. What crash? Press it all nice. There's the impact of the tree. If you can see that indentation right there.
Pull.
Oh, pull. It was a pull job. It was a rowdy pull job. That thing sucked. So that's fixed. We got one more little piece over here on this wing that got a little funked up. So just a dab. Dab, some activator, stick it, leave it. Make sure it's straight. I guess you could stick it on something flat. My tail's not as bad as John's though. Hold it like that, and we are good to go. The second one is not that fun. I'm gonna glue it and we're gonna go right back up. Look. So, another, nah, we're done for today. I'm crashing too much. I could send it up right now, but I don't know. The wing held up. Oh my God, they're gonna be like, just stop flying, dude, you suck. They're gonna be like, just stop flying. It's just too fun. Like, it didn't break where the glue was. It broke in a totally different spot. I couldn't find the switch, the safe switch. I hit the flaps, dude, and I panicked. It went straight down. That's what I'm telling you. It's very touchy in pro. I put it in pro. Because I wanted to.
This would be a pro. 2 seconds.
These are always scary to do. Just because you don't know what it's going to do. Whoop. We're just going to send it. Didn't want to go up. I was trying to pull it up. Probably from all those crashes. We're out of here. Thanks for watching. It was crazy today. Lots of crashes, but it was super fun. My buddy John coming out, it was crazy. Not probably a good spot to practice in, but it makes you a little better. You learn every time you crash. You learn from your mistakes and buy a lot of glue if you're barely starting and you can't fly like I can. Because apparently I can't fly, but super fun. Bad. This is just one awesome airplane.
$300 worth of fun.
$300 worth of fun over and over. That's cheaper than some of the girls I go with.